It is a comfortable feeling to know that you stand on your own ground. And as you already know, land is the only thing that cannot be moved. Alright. By the way, do you know what it feels like to own a piece of property around a resort like this, with a feel of serenity and ambience of nature? You know what? Why don't we go see one?
No way.
This is EWA Gardens, strategically located in Folu community with a land title Lagos State Official Gazette. Now, this property shares close proximities with Tropicana, Lekki Free Trade Zone, Lekki Deep Sea Port, and so many others. EWA Gardens is directly facing the tarred road, which makes it more suitable for both commercial and residential services. This land is 100% dry land. And guess what? It is a buy and build property with instant allocation on an outright payment. Imagine owning a piece of property between two major attractions. On my right here, we have the beach, and on my left, we have the lagoon. But always remember that the surest investment on earth is earth.